Do you need a sexy JDM rear view mirror? This is the Prova Convex Mirror. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct, and this is my unboxing of the Prova rear view mirror. I've got the box right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. So I really like the way Prova packages everything in this clear plastic so you can see exactly what you're getting. And they really use high quality foam, which I know a lot of people don't really care about packaging, but when you're talking about something as delicate as a mirror or glass piece, it's nice to know that they actually take the time to package everything correctly. And so this product gets to you exactly how it comes out of the box. But anyway, this particular mirror is their blue tinted mirror. This is really going to help reduce glare, especially from cars behind you. So this is great if you have a vehicle, you don't have like the auto dimming mirror. Something like this can really help just reduce that glare and give you better visibility. Plus it is convex, which means it has a curvature to it. And so you see a lot of people installing those big mirrors in there. And that's fine. That gives you a lot of viewing angle for whatever's behind you. But this does something similar, but looks damn near OEM, and I'm a big fan of it. Plus I absolutely love the Prova logo here in the middle. Installation is incredibly simple. You have self-adhesive pads, one big one in the middle and two small ones on the side. Now the reason why you have this big one in the middle is because of the curvature of this, right? And so you're basically putting it over a flat piece of glass, and so you need this big thick one in the middle. And installation, other than actually cleaning your factory mirror and then really taking the time to line this up to get it perfect, installation is incredibly simple. Should probably take you all of about 5 minutes. This is legitimate JDM hotness, straight from Japan. Prova manufactures some really killer products, and I'm a big fan of basically everything they make, and this is just another example of what makes Prova so cool. And I love this mirror. I love the way it looks. I love the tinted color to it. I love that it is convex, gives you a really wide viewing angle, and it just looks freaking killer. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.